Today, Roboy team created history because for the first time in the world's history, full-scale humanoid robot was driving a rickshaw. Did he do it well? Well, let's see in the video.
I worked so hard and I really need a coffee now. I better text Roboy to come and pick me up. My name is Leonard and I am the team lead of the autonomous driving team at Roboy. What we are doing is basically three things. In order to navigate around obstacles, we need to create a map. For this, we are using simultaneous localization and mapping.
The big challenge of today was having 10 teams integrate their work of 3 months into one system.
This kind of coordination and passion from students, and especially their attention in the integration and getting something to work on a human robot, was really inspiring.
We believe that we build interdisciplinary teams, and those teams work together and solve localized small problems, and only once they are solved we integrate them into a bigger system. This allows us to really tackle very complex, knowledge-heavy problems and still sort of make it work in a bigger context.
I really like the fact that you can break it. That is fundamental for innovation and for getting things to work and new things to work.